Ever wondered what it's like to live where the sun disappears for 6 whole months? Let's dive into this mind-bending phenomenon. Picture this. You wake up one day ready to greet the sun, but surprise, it never rises. Instead, you find yourself living in a world cloaked in darkness for 6 full months. This strange reality happens in certain parts of our planet, where it feels like nighttime hijacks the day. But why does this happen? The answer lies in the tilt of the Earth and its incredible dance around the sun. Imagine the North and South Poles, where every winter, as the Earth tilts away from the sun, these regions enter a phase known as polar night. At this time, the sun simply dips below the horizon and refuses to return, leaving residents in a long stretch of twilight and night. Communities in places like the Arctic Circle can truly feel the depth of this phenomenon. The first few weeks can seem magical, with stunning displays of stars lighting up the sky, and the ethereal glow of the northern lights making nighttime feel alive, but it's not all beauty. 6 months of darkness can be challenging. For many, it can lead to feelings of isolation and seasonal depression. Imagine weeks of frigid temperatures with little sunlight. It can happen. To combat this, locals embrace the change, filling their days with winter sports, gatherings, and celebrations, turning what could be a dreary season into an opportunity for community bonding. Some even adapt their routines around the darkness, fostering a lifestyle rich in creativity and resilience. And beyond the stark landscapes lies a community of individuals who have set up fascinating traditions amidst the darkness. Festivals celebrating the return of the sun are common, where communities come together to welcome back the light after their long hibernation. These moments transform mere existence into celebration, showcasing human ingenuity and spirit. Plus, let's not forget about the science. During this polar night, researchers take advantage of the unique landscape to study everything from astronomy to climate patterns. It's a rare opportunity to experience a pure, unfiltered view of the cosmos when urban lights fade away, revealing constellations and phenomena often hidden from sight. So, while 6 months of darkness might sound daunting, it's a testament to nature's wonder and humans' adaptability. It teaches us that even in the most challenging conditions, we can find ways to thrive, connect, and celebrate life. Curious about other fascinating natural phenomena? Let us know your thoughts or experiences in the comments, and don't forget to follow for more amazing stories.